Write the repeated decimal as a fraction. So I can actually rewrite this as 0.2535353, and so on. And I can rewrite this as 0.2 plus 0.053 plus 0.00053 plus 0.0000053. And if I add those together, I'll end up getting, and then so on, I'll end up getting that decimal. So I need to write this as a fraction. So 0.2 is the same thing as 2 over 10, plus 0.053, that's going to be 53 over 1,000. Or I could rewrite this as 53 over 10 to the third, since I need to move 1, 2, 3 decimals over. This needs to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I can write this as plus 53 over 10 to the fifth plus 53 over 10 to the seventh plus everything else. So it looks like I can write this as 2 over 10 plus 53, and I can actually factor out a 53 out of all of that. And this will be 1 over 10 to the third plus 1 over 10 to the fifth plus 1 over 10 to the seventh plus whatever. This piece right here is actually geometric. So if I want to find r of that, it is going to be one of the terms. So I'm going to go 1 over 10 to the fifth and divided by the previous term, which is 1 over 10 to the third. Flip and multiply. 10 to the third divided by 10 to the fifth. Well, 3 of these will reduce with these, 3 of those. And so you end up getting 1 over 10 squared. So that's going to be r. So then I can rewrite this as 2/10 plus 53 multiplied by the summation of n equals 1 to infinity, because it's going to go on forever, of my first term, which is 1 over 10 to the third, multiplied by r, 10 squared, to the n minus 1. So this can actually be rewritten as 2 over 10 plus 53 multiplied by, now, this right here looks just like this, of a r to the n minus 1. And this we know equals a divided by 1 minus r. So we get a, which is 1 over 10 to the third, over 1 minus r, which is going to be 1 over, and I'm going to actually put 100, because that's 10 to the 2. So if I want to simplify this, I end up getting 2 over 10 plus 53 multiplied by 1 over 1,000 divided by, now this is going to be 100 over 100 if I get a common denominator. 100 minus 1 is 99 over 100. Now I can flip and multiply, so I get 100 over 99. These zeros go with these zeros, which then gives me 2 over 10. And I'm going to add that to 53 multiplied by 1 over 10 times 99, which is 990. So this gives me 2 over 10 plus 53 over 990. I need to get a common denominator, so I'm going to multiply this by 99 and this by 99. 2 times 99 is 198, divided by 990, plus 53 divided by 990. So 198 added to 53. So that's going to be 1, 1, 15, and then 2. So 251 over 990. And that is that number as a fraction.